Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by tea subscription for the month of October. Can't believe October is already here. I'm not prepared. So here we have our little card. It lists all the teas on the inside. So I'm going to set that aside for a moment. Oh, these are cool. Got some of the little boxes. So there's 2 in here. This coffee. Let's take a look at this. So there's 2 bags in here. And on the card, because it mentioned coffee, so that confused me for a moment. It says, did you know the coffee beans are the seeds of a fruit, coffee cherry, and you could steep the dried cherries in tisane? Interesting. So we got a couple of those. I like the little container it came in. 2 in each, so 4 total. And then we have Thrive Balance Energy Support. It has some green tea in there, organic, all that good stuff. Also have from Harney and Sons. I knew there would be another one. There's typically 4. So there's 4 of those. Then we have, this is their classic specialty blend of green tea. And again, 4 of those. These are all in the little satchels. However, this is loose leaf. So when you get loose leaf, you get a little packet of these reusable muslin cloth tea bags. Super cool. You just fill the tea leaves in there, use a little drawstring, and that's it. I like that they include those. I don't like the tea strainers, so I like that. Let's see here. Garden tea blend with the perfect, is it Faerie? Party in mind. This caffeine-free herbal blend is sure to get your toes tapping, hot or cold. Cool. Ooh, yeah, there's spearmint, peppermint, lavender, all sorts of stuff I like in there, so I know I'll like that one. So let's take a look at the card. They typically give me a pretty good mix of caffeine levels. So this one, low caffeine, caffeine-free, and then medium caffeine for the others. So I like that they include that. And some people may not pay attention to that, but ever since I got pregnant, they're like, oh, watch your caffeine level. It kind of like stuck with me to pay attention to that. So I still do. And it gives you the steeping times, all the information about that. So a really nice product card that it comes with. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, or if you want to see past boxes that I have, I will put a playlist below and a link to the company. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.